Dumelang ko gae, di tsola ka ke Tebogo Mfete. Ra lamohela mo lanong la rena la Lanokolo mo Moja Love Channel 157. Ka tseno ke ngwaletse ke family ya Hamazibuko gore ke tlo ba thusa gore ba nne le kutlwisiso ka go tlhokofala ha mme wa bona. Ke mo Zondi ere ke kopane le bona ke utlo gore bona ba reng. Dumelang. Le kae? Ke teng. Ditso la ka ke Tebogo Mfete. Le re ngwaletse mo la Lanokolo gore ke tle ke tlo le bona ke. Yeah, before re tsena mo ditabeng ne ke ba tlwitsore as o re biditsa buti ke bo mang wa introduce le no introduce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Igama usere introduce Mazibuko. Ngapha ngino Anto omncane uAnzodwa Mazibuko.
uAntisodwa.
Yeah, Anzodwa Mazibuko.
Right.
Yebo kubo baba.
Okay.
Udadewethu uyilasibonela ekhaya uNobusa Mazibuko. Anomasonto uye uAnti omdala.
uAnti omdala.
Yebo.
Yeah, okay. So le hlobana kanjani no Mufu? Okay, before khulumating sondele ngihlalela ne.
All
Right. Yeah, so
anomasonto naZodwa abo dadu babo baba. Ngazala bo baba.
okay.
Isibling yami le lasibonela ekhaya.
Okay.
Yeah, uNobusa.
So le ikhaya la ka gogo no nomkhulu. Right. Kunjalo abantu basesontweni.
Yeah.
Or abafundisi or umkhulu umfundisi.
Umama webe akasonto.
Akasonto.
Umuntu okumfundisi ozala umama ubaba nabo auntie.
So the way, because I think we're going to wait for the collection of Umzimba again. Later on again.
Yeah.
That's when Umkhulu will do the actual reading, ne?
Yeah.
But for now, lo muntu lo shona kuphi esibhedlela. Njalo. So angibona ukuthi umoya wakhe usalile emove, and the way abantu abadala bavela kakhona, it is like you guys had to do everything but with culture but also mixing it with isonto.
Yeah.
Yeah, one. So because lo muntu oshonile la, he was a big part of isonto and a leader in her own way again. So I don't want to see me say anything. So maybe before siqhubeka with the things of the day, it will be advisable to maybe siqale lapho not emotion esibhedlela, and then collect umoya wakhe, and then somehow join the people from the mortuary on the way.
La ekhaya ngendaba yeculture ngendlela siyenze ngayo yokulanda umzimba sisebenzisa isihlahla isihlahla basibiza ihlahla ihlukile
Okay.
So umama makahamba ngolosithathu ngolosine sahamba ngelihlahla ngoba uhambela akahambelanga ewodi uhambela emergency room.
Yeah.
So sasizama ukuthi sicollect nathi umoya baba wahamba sahamba noAntomdala nami ngangikhona masiya lapha yana safika sacollecta umzimba sathatha umoya kamama sahlanganisa ngehlahla le ngoba manje ihlahla likuyena emucha
all pattern.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that process was done.
So manje masimlanda namhlanje
Okay.
ubaba omkhulu ubaba omncane makazomfaka lekhaya bazolikhipha lehlahla ngoba sibacela ukuthi balibeke phezulu kwebhokisi khona sewazi usimamukele ngalo emzini wakhe.
Imbuzi yakhe ready for yena.
Imbuzi sikhona
nobutshwala besintu bukhona because uthufuna ikhamba encane and then uthifuna imbuzi. So the way kuvela kakhona ngathi mangena nje ngebox those things must be there, yeah. And then ukuthi kufuneka not umsamo but imat. I don't know what is this.
Yes,
icansi ikhona.
Yes, la ekhaya ukugcisa ungena emlonyeni sinecansi somndlalela lona ekhaya masaka yongena endlini yakhe.
Yeah.
So esicansi mhlambe la kubonisa lona sazi ukuthi ufuna icansi la yehla ngalo ufuna lo cansi.
Yebo. And lo cansi leyo you gonna use it again at the cemetery before umzimba wakhe uyehla. It's like it's gonna be placed.
Yes.
The way mina angikhombisa kakhona, right? Okay, so uthi lento uyifuna kanjalo. Yeah, uthi uyifuna kanjalo. And also the times direct about the time ukuthi by this time I must be here, by this time I must be out. Uyabona? And then kufuneka amakhandlela ayi3 amhlophe futhi. Ukuthi and then kufuneka futhi maybe a glass or something with water. Uyabona? And those are the things that will be at the gate to receive umzimba umhlanganisa. And then maqeda, and then uthi obviously you guys will talk, but ufuna ukuthi kube umuntu wesimama ngathi umuntu maybe ngathi auntie that will welcome her, but with ngathi isithakazelo. Uyabona? That will be done from the gate, take it. Yeah, and then after that, then you guys will tell me ukuthi mkhulu manje sesikhathi sakho ukuthi usitshele ukuthi what exactly happened. For all we know that ube umuntu begula and be usithi umuntu omdala. You know, but we'll talk about how she wants other things to be done. She's busy giving me a name of Ubongi or Usbongile. What connection do you have with that name?
Usbongile was one of umshana wakhe. Wandlula emhlabeni. Wandlula bokumntana ka-aunt.
Washona naye lo Bongile. So it could be that she's saying she's with them or she's going to join them as she undergoes this journey. The other thing that she also she's highlighting good, she doesn't want things to be ngati alizwani. I can also see that there was a dispute of the box, the color or the decoration. What's happening?
A box, there was not much ukabana nakhona because bezikhona inkulumo zokuthi because of auntie malumekazi bafuna kuve ne certain coffin. I stick to the fact ukuthi she always said ukuthi singachinji izinto zakhe.
The way avela ngakhona, she knew which coffin she's going to be buried in. You know, the way in a silver handles, in a sort of gold handles, in Jan, you want brown in Jan. So she doesn't want a lot of things to change, ne? So she says stick to the way things were, and so that there must not be any lot of complications, ne? She's very worried about umyeni wakhe. And then the accept and also the grieving, because the way avela ngakhona ngathi umyeni wakhe ubaba sekhaya umkhulu uyagula naye. So maybe let me wait and reserve the other things for when umase khona, but for now let's leave it at that. And she doesn't want umyeni wakhe ukuthi bariking azil uthi lento lokuyikhulumile before.
No, umama kulento leyo nokusa ngaphandle ukuthi ikhulumile. Umama makhona umuntu ogulayo akafuni ukuthi azilelwe lento leyo.
So explain now when umzimba usela ukuthi why. Right now I'm not giving you that reason, but uzo understand that later ukuthi why. You know, and you're not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but you will understand. Ne? Yeah. So for now I see Republic and Jal, and then we'll see asela kuti what is it that she wants.
Ungenile manje emzini wakho namathemba, ungenile ekhaya, ufikile ekhaya. Abakwamukela abadala abala ekhaya, bakwamukele sisona, abakwamukele dadwethu. Makoti wakithi bakwamukele kwamazibuko. So ufikile ekhaya. Silungiselela indlela yakho yakusasa. Siyobeka endaweni yakho yokugcina.
ngilizulu awula ngihlengele zomfuni nangu lapha umakotweni sesiletha khona umakotwa kamthabeni amathamba songenile endlini yakho ukhaya lapho uhlala khona kusasa siyakuthatha siyakuhambisa sikusa endlini yakho nokusasa futhi sizakwenza wonke lo msebenzi osindala manje ezulu mwela mntwana welingezibulu wala ngehlengelo zomvula zamangwe nangu makotweni Philemon Macbeth nangu makotweni usendlini yakhe manje kodwa kusasa siyamthatha simhambisa endlini yokugcina uyolala khona zamangwe mwelasi nzi
baba nasiphuthi nawe nakubheka nangimakoti yangena
Sambona nabantu abadala igama lami uTebogo. So the first thing into ivela ukuthi uyabonga kakhulu from lento ungena la endlini the way lenzeka khona ku auntie nabantwana bakhe uthi ngiyabonga kakhulu because that's how things are supposed to be. Uthi as much as ngisemuntu obehamba isonto but also iculture into ngithi yena uyithatha very serious. So uthi uyabonga kakhulu. Uthi worried kabi about abantwana bakhe. Uthi ucela uauntie ayenze ukuthi abantwana bakhe bazwane kube ukuswana. Uthi kune ufila ngathi kune ukudelelana and not ukumamelana kakhulu. So ucela ukuthi kube ukuswana. Uthi especially isikhathi sefana le serilemo sona se there must be some unity between bana bagai. Sabalisa some kind of like a disrespect or something because uthi the last thing that yena ayifunayo is ukuthi manje ukuthi uhambile then there must be khulwana that uthi lento lezomphula inhliziyo kakhulu. So uthi there must be some mamelana go itseng ne. She also talks about what she's wearing inside and then uthi you picked it up or you said this is what you want. Uthi uyabonga about akituriki whatever some feeling so but uthi wena you are the one who said you want it like this. So uthi thank you for that because ulukuluhile momoyeng. Uthi into emphatha kabi is that whatever that you are here for now like umncwabo uthi this thing is going to repeat itself. So that's what she's worried about. So uthi you must take care of your father ne because things are not looking good because the way aveza kakhona it's like I can count months, I can even count weeks ngasho will be here again the way abonisa kakhona. And usually with that when I said it's going to be like that it's going to be exactly like that. Uchi that's why akafuna ukuthi umnyeni wakhe arule yabona just to leave that heaviness ne or le hlokomele ntlu ya hae na sa batle selo ka ntlu ya hae and dilo or o tsamaile abatlo gore le utlwane go be right there must be peace but uthi this peace is not it's not o tsamaile ntse di sinke di be the way na di batla ka teng. So if you say uthi if you guys say ukuthi you want to honor me as uma wako and you must honor the teachings and all lemlaiza and all the discipline that I tsekilurutileng tsona, that's how you guys will be able to honor me. And then she says to you uthi you must get like a counseling because uthi you need professional help as well to cope with ukushona kwakhe because uthi is not enough the way uthi the okhala kakhona uthi mina ngibemdala bengigula and yes some other people ngathi they will speculate uthi she wants to rectify something uthi unenkulumo la around uthi because mina I didn't go ngiyedwa ngihambe nomunye umuntu ngathi umngani wami and lento ishayile bonke or we died from the same thing something like that. Uthi there's people, there's gossips with wrong information. Uthi yegela ukukhuluma lento linga understand ngoba it's gonna create a conflict for the families or the neighbors something like that ne uthi yegela uthi release and libulege mo moyeng ne and yonke into uthi yazi umdali uzoyijaja nabantu abadala ne uthi lo muntu lo we're close, so we're very close, so whatever that happened, but don't speculate and say ukuthi the way vela ngakhona ngathi ukuthi kuno ukuphonsana uthi akuna ukuphonsana, is just the way it is. Uthi yena ulele ne the way ugogo avela ngakhona ufuna ukuthi umncabo wakhe ibe sort of like a celebration, you know. Yes, kubhlungu but injalo iculture yethu, but we must also know ukuthi ugogo be akhathele be agugile and she did very well emncwabeni. Isikhathi sakhe sokuhamba akuna esandla sengifende. Let me rectify that, because lenkulumo le ivela ngakhona ngathi kunesandla sengifene, akuna esandla sengifene. And if uthi ugogo if mkhulu ikhona esandla sengifene, umdali and nabantu abadala will be the judge of that, but abantu bangahambisa inkulumo wrong and create a fight engekho. So why or why it's le tshwaregile gagolo or to you, or please refer to the like inkulumo that you had Wednesday that other week. It's like a week back or 2 weeks back. Uma wakho hlalise la khuluma uthi you know what you guys spoke about. Iqiniso ubuthi uqiniso uthi refer to that inkulumo and do as upromisile that you will do. Uthi yena she's a believer kakhulu, but yes, also with culture uyayihlonipha. So uthi her funeral tomorrow must be about lot of singing, lot of joyful things, and just talking about good about the things that she has done emhlabeni. It must not be about ukuthi ubani wenzeni lento le. She doesn't want that, because she's going to feel it in the spirit and she wouldn't want to go with that inkulumo. Uthi ngifuna ukuthi umndeni ukhumbule something. Yes, I'm not here physically like you see umkhulu or thina sibonana njengemehlo, but umoya wami usasekhona, and that's what you guys must hold on to, ne? And remember ukuthi ngisengikhona. So when you guys need to speak, then lento le ibe itseng libuelena kere or lelapa le ke lapa la umthandazo la thapelo, ke lapa la metsi, ke lapa la dikhendlele, ke lapa la bible, ke lapa la go rapela. So that's what you guys need to focus on. And then ubani lo Usibongile, I think I asked about that person earlier as well. Umabongi Usibongile. Yeah.
Usibongile njengoba ngishilo ukuthi umshana wakhe.
Okay. So ore le mohlokomele it's like ugogo omkhulisa naye ne. Yeah, le mohlokomele ho be right lo ditseme right. So ore le sebetse hantle. Tomorrow it's about celebrating impilo yakhe. It's not about gossip, it's not about ukuhleba, yekela ukuhleba abantu abadala. Ukuhleba ukuvala izinto. Yekela ukuspeculate izinto that are not there. If you don't know what happened, yekela indaba. Ungathi ngamuntu lo ngicabanga ukuthi bamshayile obashayana ungena kuphi wena lapha, because idlozi yasichazela ukuthi kuhambe kanjani. Let this thing be a peaceful funeral for umncaba kagogo, and then yonke into ihambe right. Yeah, yavakala ne? Is it making sense? Yeah. All right. Any questions?
Besicela kuye ugogo ukuthi njengoba akhonetha besicela ukuthi khehlakazamile ukuthi siyayizwa ukuthi uthini
inkulumo yakhe
nabo yakhehla. Sisamdinga la muntu saseninto eziningi njengoba naye ahambile azibona into eziningi ikhehla ibhekana so kusasenemisebenzi nje ngoba lemisebenzi nje osakahambile azokubeke nemisebenzi angishiye nayo ukuthi mina ngiyenze so bengifisa ukuthi
uthi imisebenzi
yasemoyeni nengiyiphethe nemisebenzi le angishiye ukuthi kumele ngiyipheze yabantu abadala ngani ngikwazi ukuyenza ngoba sasekhona
uzoyenza ikiri ugogo uzokunika amandla ukuthi lento loyenze because you are also chosen ikiri you are like one of us so uzokunika namandla her worry now and I'm sure you heard ne is that lento lesisihlangane ngayo namhlanje uthi uvela ukuthi izovela futhi la
ingikhulumela phezulu kwaleyo mkhulu angithi ngikhulumela phezulu kwaleyo ukuthi bengicela kuye ukuthi uyidalo nakuze ithulo lezi abawuyehlise lawo.
It doesn't look like there's anything that Idlozi can do or Idalwa in the spirit because umawa logogo lomkhulu bekanje. So it looks like we are going for what we call a pair, a funeral pair where uzoshona uzofosonya futhi. So I don't want to stress about it, but when what you can do ngicela ukuthi uyithandazele umcela uma wakho because she's listening, she's a spirit. But mina the way umuntu ubonayo ngithi it doesn't look like it will go your way. The way vela kakhona emoyeni is like it's already done. The only thing ukuthi it must be done in the physical world. All right. Yeah. Yawutwana kere?
Yazona.
All right. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ko gae ko liponetse gore ko ga mazibuko go tsamele yang go ne go le monate go ne le mokete go tle batho ba kreke mama ene e le motho o leng gore o bereka le setšhaba le family ya hae o mo tsamaise ka ona mokho mama o ntse a igoletse a le motho mogolo a bereka setšhaba so a gona molato ko gae ko a re hetse e le nako re motho a tsamaya mo lefatsheng re amogele ka moko motho na le ka teng le ditiro tsa hae di mosale morao. Ha nna Tebogong Mfete mosebetsi wa ka ko editse mo Lalano Kolo mo tsa Love Channel 157 until nako e tlang